Good Tuesday morning, everyone, and welcome to the month of September, which here in the meteorology world we actually refer to as the start of meteorological fall. We like to group our seasons into 3 months. So, in the world of meteorology, fall is considered the months of September, October, and November, and it's actually feeling a bit more summer-like. And of course, we all know the real first day of autumn comes later this month with the autumnal equinox around the. I guess I'm not even sure which day it is, the 21st or the 22nd, but nonetheless, it feels pretty warm out there for us, and on the muggy side as well. And as we take a look back at the month of August, we had 5.44 inches of precipitation. Average is only 2.78, so we're about 2 3/4 inches above average for the month of August. And that's also bringing us to above average for the year, just shy of 18 inches of precipitation, which is 1.71 inches above average for the entire year so far. We do have more chances of rain in our forecast here as we head into the coming days. Let's take a look at the almanac for today. Yesterday we had a high temperature of 85 after a low of 64. Average is only 76, 98 the record high temperature, so back in 1983. And as we mentioned, 5.44 inches of rainfall ending the month of August. The sunrise this morning at 6:50. It sets at 8:06 later this evening. Here's your weather headlines. Warm and muggy again, feeling like summer out there. There's a chance for some isolated showers and thunderstorms tonight and tomorrow night, but a better chance as we head into the upcoming holiday weekend. Looks like Sunday may be the rainier day, but we'll talk about that here as we get into the 7-day forecast. Satellite and radar picture this morning showing a band of clouds pushing through the region, and we've seen some spotty showers, a lot of just some sprinkles, some moisture being picked up there on the radar, and the bigger picture showing actually a weak cool front is kind of dissecting through South Dakota here this morning. Off behind the cloud cover, actually some cooler and drier air under the clouds, warmer and muggier air. So maybe an isolated shower or two here for us today. You can see some of those rain showers off to the south and to the west of us, moving out of Nebraska. As this front actually kind of stalls out, really not expecting a lot of rainfall, just an isolated shower or two. Behind that front, as I mentioned, cooler temperatures into the 50s and back into the central and western portions of the state under the clouds. Temperatures in the 60s, and you can certainly see the drier air too behind the front. Dew points back into the 40s and 50s, and on the warmer side of the front, dew points still sitting in the 60s here this morning. So let's take a look at Futurecast again. Maybe that isolated shower today as that front starts to move off to the north, and again, maybe an isolated shower as we head into tomorrow. Certainly not everyone going to see the rain out there from these isolated showers, but nonetheless, the chance is there. And another chance of seeing an isolated shower or two around the region tomorrow. And looks like dry on Thursday before Friday. Another chance for an isolated shower or storm will be with us. Let's take a look closer at home with Futurecast. And again, an isolated shower or two really can't be ruled out today and into tonight. And again, tomorrow going to be a possibility. So don't let the rain chance foul up any of your outdoor plans, but just be prepared that there's a pop-up shower or two as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours. So your forecast today, we'll call it partly sunny. It'll be muggy. Not officially putting a chance of an isolated shower on the forecast page for today, but again, that chance is there for a stray shower. It's about a 10% chance. A southeast wind at 5 to 15. Partly cloudy tonight. Again, maybe an isolated shower or a storm, 65 the low. 7-day forecast, there you can see again that 10% chance of a shower storm here today or tomorrow. Highs staying in the mid-80s through the week. Better chance of seeing some isolated showers and thunderstorms here Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Actually, the storm system coming in for the upcoming weekend does bring with it actually some moisture from a tropical storm system that's kind of fallen apart in the Pacific. And actually will move up the Baja of California and then get drawn up into the jet stream and will bring us that chance. Maybe for some influence showers and thunderstorms. Could see some areas of heavier rainfall as well as we head into the upcoming weekend. And temperatures then cooling down behind that storm system, the kind of that moisture from that tropical system combining with the cool front, leading to that chance at seeing some heavier rainfall. Then temperatures behind the front cooling down for Labor Day itself, highs in the mid-70s.